Hey guys, Justin here coming at you from the 4x4 test tent with another unboxing video. Give us a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. What we've got in this box is from HLG. You know it's going to be great. This is the HLG 750 Diablo. We're going to get to take a look at it, check it out, test it, see how strong it is, what kind of wattage it takes, the spectrum, the whole nine. Let's get into it.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go.
All right, so this is what comes with your HLG 750 Diablo. Inside the discreet shipping box, of course, is this awesome box. This reminds me of, if any of you have built a computer, it's like a giant motherboard box. It's so awesome. It's really cool. I'm a big fan of the box. I like the weirdest shit sometimes. Yeah, here's the spec sheet on the 750 Diablo. Pause if you want to take a look at any of that. All the features. Of course, you got the Samsung powered. It's all Samsung diodes. It's 4 of the Diablo boards on there with reflectors. Pretty sick. So that's the spec sheet that comes with it. Oh, there is some stuff on the back, I guess. Just some mounting instructions, little QR code, and some safety stuff. Basic stuff, you know. And it is going to have a 5-year warranty. You can see right on the front of the box. Got a neat little sticker here. HLG sticker. Cool. Put that to good use. Let's take a look what's in the accessory bag. Pretty standard stuff. Ooh, these are heavy. Oh, this is what's heavy. Holy crap. Okay. So this is the hang kit. These are some heavy carabiners. So there's one half, there's the other half, there we go, and then 2, of course, Metal Gear rope ratchets to hang it, so that'll make it really easy to hang from. You got the 2 points going down to the 4 points. Awesome, love it. We've got our power cord, which is going to have a quick disconnect, kind of a watertight connection there. Really long too, looks to be longer than maybe 6 feet or more on that. And then you've got a plug adapter that goes from regular to 240. And that's it for the inside, or for the outside of the box. Let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box, I've already taken out the packaging and everything, but let's take a look at the light here. Look at that sucker, man. Damn. That is a beast. So you can see you've got the 4 quantum boards mounted here, and they're barely bigger than my hand, really. Like, they're not even that big of boards, really. That's pretty killer. A lot of diodes on each board, though. A lot of diodes on each board. And you've got everything you need right here. Like, there's nothing else. There's nothing else you need. You got your four boards, no other mess, no other anything. You got your driver on the back. Check this out. Take a look at the back there. Driver on the back. It is a Inventronics driver, and I did get the one with the GrowFlux option. So we'll go over that more too. That is an additional option that you can get. This little GrowFlux controller, and then you get the main GrowFlux controller. Hook that up to your Ethernet, and then you can control your light through the controller. Pretty badass. Got some of those robust connections, man. These are huge connections. Really, really robust. But yeah, this thing's a beast, man. Let's get this sucker hooked up and see what kind of power she pushes. All right, we are back and we've got it all hooked up and ready to go. Take a look at this. Wow. That is killing it, man. Just 4 boards, evenly spaced. Wow, made my camera trip out. The camera's like, I can't believe this. And you can see the reflection of the reflector here hitting perfectly across the light on both sides. Nice and shiny too. So that's what we're talking about here. We're just putting a board in this little space here with reflection and just letting it shine and then spacing it evenly. I imagine this is going to be a very, very efficient light. It's not overkill. Still going to push a lot of watts though, but it's going to do it efficiently. All Samsung diodes. We got an Inventronics driver. You got a whole bunch of white and red. Just white and red. Real simple. If you want to add anything on, you can do that. There's plenty of room in here for add-on bars if you'd like. You can even shoot some through the holes here if you wanted to, I guess. Pretty cool. Here's the Inventronics driver, as I was saying here. Get a look at that real quick. And then the GrowFlux controller there. That's an option that I got on here. I believe it's a $50 option, and then you need the actual main controller box, which is $150, and you can get that at HLG.com. Discount code just in time to grow, of course. Right now that's saving 15%. So that's how we have it set up to go right now. So I have it set up on my phone here. I don't know if you can see this here. Let me angle my screen. Yeah, you can see that good. All right, so we're at 10% right now. Let's go ahead and get the watt meter and the par meter fired up here. And we'll see what we're pushing. Looking like 77 watts, about 100 par. Keep in mind, these two corners are really well reflected, so they're gonna read a lot higher than these. This one has almost no reflection, and this one has just a little bit of reflection here. So that's the differences in the readings. The height, we are at 25 inches as usual for our 4x4 testing. That's to simulate a 24-inch canopy. There we go, 25 inches off the deck. Because the sensors are going to be about an inch high. So let's take a look at the 10% reading there. Looking good. We probably want to go up a little bit for... Let's go to 20%. Let's see, save. Oh, wow, okay. There we go. And that's going to be 152 watts. About 200 par. So maybe a little bit high, actually, for seedlings and clones. Let's go back down to 15. That jumped up real quick there. All right, so we're back down to 15. 113 watts. There we go, 150. That's about where I like to be for seedlings and clones. They're at 15%. So that's what I would say. 24 inches, 15% for seedlings and clones. Up to you, but that's what I like to run for mine personally. Let's see what 30% does. How about that? Let's go 30%, save. Boom. And it just changes it. All right, now we're hitting 230. And we're right almost to veg, 332. I think 35% might do it for veg. Let's go up to 35%. There we go, 35%. Oh yeah, that's perfect, man. 386, 350, somewhere in there. That's where I like to veg. Personally, some people will go as high as 500 or 600, but I see no need to really spend that much electricity during veg. My plants grow plenty fast for me, just using 350-ish, maybe 400 par. So that's pretty good. Let's get a center reading on this veg here. And we're looking at 567 in the middle. So you could almost flower with it at this in the middle. Real close. So that's putting out some power. This is really going to kick, I think, once we get up higher. I mean, keep in mind, we're only at 35% here. This is nuts. Well, let's see what 50% does. Why not? 50% save. There we go. We're looking at 390 watts about there. And about 550-ish on the par. That's pretty sick. That's really, really close to flower. So I think if we go up to maybe 55%, let's see. Yeah, so this is like the minimum that I recommend for quality flowering. 55%, 24 inches. And that's going to give us a minimum of 600 to the corners, which is perfect. And then the center is going to hit us at 900. Wow. Yeah, we're banging now, guys. So 600 at the very, 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 very corner. 900 in the middle. That's going to get you excellent, excellent production. But we can take it further, guys. We can take it further. We're only at 55%, you guys. Are you kidding me? Let's go. What's 75%? 75%. Where are we at? 592 watts. 592 watts. We are pushing 830 in the corners. 1200 in the middle. Look at that. 1200 in the middle. Holy crap. That is now that's more in the experienced grower category right there. Very, very experienced. Newer grower can try it, but if you don't have your pH and your nutrient load dialed in, you're going to have all kinds of deficiency issues. But if you've got it dialed in, you hit this right here and you are going to be amazed at the amount of nug that you can produce. Like, holy crap. That's awesome. That is killing the game right there. But it says we can go more. Let's just blow it open 100%, yo. What's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Oh my god! Dude, this thing's killer! 715 watts. We're looking at almost 1,000 in the corner. Are you kidding me, dude? This thing has got power, guys. These little boards are putting out some friggin' par. What the frick? Wow, dude. I'm actually impressed. I really am. Like, I've been testing all these bar lights and stuff and all kinds of crazy shit, like 8 boards and all this stuff, and to see a 4-board light perform like this, that's saying something, man. Those boards are kicking out some light. Holy shit. So 980 say, in the corners, 1440 in the middle. 1440, guys. That is nuts. That is just killing it. And that is at 100%. 100% on the Grow Flex controller. Wow. Killing the game, guys. Killing the game. Let's go ahead and grab the spectrometer here. Let's take a spectral reading. See what we're looking at here. All right. Wow, there we go. It's like, damn, I can't even see it. There we go. Let's take a look. Bam. Look at that makeup. 564 in the red, 342 in the blue. Massive red spike. Massive red spike. Look at that. Killing the game. Lots and lots of blue too, and 2 different peaks in the blue. Now that's interesting. That is pretty sick, actually. So this thing's gonna kill it in veg and in flower. And in just straight intensity, man. This thing is bright, guys. No joke. This thing is bright. Holy hell. And it's even kind of tilted a little bit this way because it has that big plug there. It's so heavy, it's actually weighing down the light. So you can see it's got just a slight tilt to it. But it doesn't care, man. It is blasting par to all four corners. All four corners. Man, killing the game, guys. If you guys want some more info on this, definitely click the link below. I've got my discount code down there. I've got a link to my website with a ton of other discount codes on things that you buy all the time. And let's let it warm up. We only got one thing to do. Is just let it warm up and take the heat reading. And then we will wrap it up. But this is looking like a banger, guys. Absolute banger. We will be right back. All right, we're back and we've let it warm up for a couple hours. Let's see how hot she gets. Oh yeah, definitely those four boards, you can definitely tell where the lights are. So we're looking about 147. It looks like 147 max temp in the middle of one of the boards. The driver about 140, and then in between is 118-ish. So not bad at all, not bad. A little bit warm in the middle, but I mean that's because, I mean, obviously take a look. I mean, that is some packed diodes. Like, that is just absolutely stuffed full of diodes on that board. So that's where your heat's coming from, obviously. Plus, I mean, the wattage, that is not bad for pushing the amount of wattage that it's pushing. That's decent, man. This light overall is really impressive, to be quite honest. I'm digging it. In a world of bar lights, the boards are still crushing it, man. The boards are still crushing it. HLG did a really good job with this one, I think. I like the Grow Flux controller too. That's cool. Bitchin', man. But yeah, if you guys want any more info, click the link below. We also have the discount code there. Just in Time to Grow currently is 15% off at HLG. That is awesome. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Until next time, guys. Happy growing.